Lagi, ma'am.
Education is an endless process. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. I hope this speech can come
Beche, ito kami pag kanang pag... Ayaw ko nga, kay video ni. Ang daw ni video.
Parents aware of the needed contribution of education. Education in some ways can create not just a single color, but multicolored margins. Education is a methodical effort towards learning basic facts about humanity. And the core idea behind value education is to cultivate essential facts about essential values in the student, so that civilization with equal customized complexity can be sustained and further developed, as stated in the article, India. Everyone is granted certain things in their life through various mediums, like society or government. Are you in need of an educator for people suitable for international trust in your role, which has become smaller today? As stated in IndiaEdu.com, that value education is important to help everyone in improving the value system